Our world is filled with deep oceans, vast deserts, and unforgiving jungles. But what makes these places harsh and deadly isn't just the climate or the lack of resources, it's also the creatures that live there. There are countless animals on Earth, but which ones are the most dangerous to humans? Here are the top 10 deadliest animals in the world. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It would make us very happy. Enjoy the video. 10. Sharks. Although sharks are often portrayed in movies and TV shows as deadly killers, the reality is quite different. Worldwide, sharks are responsible for a few hundred attacks on humans each year, with only 6 to 7 resulting in death. In the United States, shark-related deaths occur roughly once every 2 years. The species responsible for the highest percentage of fatal attacks are the great white shark, bull shark, and tiger shark. Over 375 species of sharks have been identified, but only 12 are considered dangerous. An average shark bite can exert a pressure of up to 1,800 kilograms per square centimeter. However, the odds of being attacked and killed by a shark are about 1 in 3.5 million. While they are classified as dangerous, sharks are often the victims themselves. Due to the high demand for their fins, millions are killed every year. This demand has led to illegal and excessive fishing, reducing shark populations worldwide. 9. Elephants. We often think of elephants as intelligent and friendly creatures. As the largest land mammals, they possess immense weight and the power that comes with it. While elephants in captivity are capable of anger and retaliation, wild elephants can be territorial and protective of their families. On average, about 500 people die each year after being trampled, thrown, or injured in encounters with elephants. If you ever meet one in the wild, it's best to keep your distance. 8. Hippopotamuses. Hippos are the third largest land mammals after elephants and rhinos. Like elephants, they are responsible for about 500 deadly human encounters each year. However, due to their aggression, hostility, and highly territorial nature, they rank higher on our list. Hippos have been known to attack boats that enter their habitat and use their sharp teeth, which can grow up to 50 centimeters, with deadly efficiency. They attack by biting, crushing, and even holding their enemies underwater until they drown. 7. Tsetse flies. The tsetse fly is the first insect to appear on our list of the world's deadliest animals. As with other insects that will appear later, it's not the bite itself that kills, it's the infection it transmits.
Found in the tropical regions of Africa, the tsetse fly's bite transmits a parasite that causes African trypanosomiasis, better known as sleeping sickness. This disease is particularly difficult to treat in areas with limited medical resources. If left untreated, sleeping sickness is universally fatal. Fortunately, new treatments are being developed to reduce deadly outcomes. Still, in the past, it has been responsible for tens of thousands of deaths each year. 6. Crocodiles. Next on our list is the apex predator, the crocodile. Responsible for around 1,000 deaths each year, crocodiles are among the largest, most aggressive, and most dangerous animals in the world. Weighing over 2,000 pounds, they have an incredible bite force and can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. Crocodiles are the only species on this list that actively hunt humans. The deadliest species is the Nile crocodile, found in areas surrounding the Nile River. Ancient Egyptians feared them so much that they carried symbols of crocodile gods for protection. 5. Kissing bugs. Killer bugs is a general term for over 150 species of insects that possess a distinctive curved proboscis. This mouthpart is used both for defense and hunting. These insects often target the soft tissue areas around the human mouth, which is why they are called kissing bugs. Most species around the world are harmless aside from causing a painful bite. However, certain species in Central and South America can transmit Chagas disease, a dangerous parasitic infection. While untreated Chagas disease has a relatively low fatality rate, its widespread nature means that even a 5% death rate results in 12,000 to 15,000 deaths annually due to organ failure. 4. Freshwater snails. Surprisingly, the next deadliest animal on our list is the freshwater snail. Like some of the less threatening species mentioned earlier, snails do not kill humans directly. They transmit a deadly disease. According to the World Health Organization, several million people are diagnosed each year with schistosomiasis, also known as bilharzia, a parasitic infection. Around 200,000 of these cases result in death. While schistosomiasis causes severe abdominal pain and blood in the urine, it is generally not fatal outside developing countries. 3. Dogs and wolves. Man's best friend is also one of his deadliest threats. Dog attacks kill between 30 and 50 people each year in the United States alone. Domestic dogs cause more deaths than wild wolf packs. Direct deadly encounters between dogs and wolves are rare compared to deaths caused by rabies infections transmitted by dogs. Rabies kills about 59,000 people annually, mostly in regions with limited access to medical care. While wolves can transmit rabies, the rate is much lower than that of dogs, but it's not zero.
2. Snakes. It turns out that the fear of snakes, ophidiophobia, isn't so irrational after all. Conservative estimates suggest that snakes cause between 81,000 and 138,000 deaths each year. The lack of antivenom and the remoteness of bite locations contribute to this high fatality rate. The deadliest snake in terms of human deaths is the saw-scaled viper, which is only about 1 meter long. Found in Africa, the Middle East, and India, females are twice as venomous as males. In addition to its high death toll, the viper's venom contains neurotoxins that can cause severe tissue damage, often leading to amputations in survivors. Among all venomous snakes, the inland taipan is considered the most venomous and elusive. Native to Australia, it can deliver multiple bites in a single attack. Despite being one of the deadliest creatures on Earth, it is extremely shy and rarely seen. When encountered, it prefers to flee unless threatened or cornered. 1. Mosquitoes. The mosquito is the deadliest and most dangerous animal in the world, and also one of the smallest. They are estimated to cause between 750,000 and 1 million human deaths annually. Mosquitoes carry numerous deadly diseases, including malaria, dengue fever, West Nile virus, and Zika virus. Malaria alone is responsible for over 500,000 fatal infections each year. Only female mosquitoes feed on human blood, while males consume nectar. Some scientists estimate that mosquitoes may have been responsible for half of all human deaths in history, due to the diseases they spread. Even if that estimate is exaggerated, mosquitoes remain number one on our list, killing nearly 1 million people each year. Fortunately, only a few of the animals on this list directly and intentionally attack humans. Most deaths occur in rural or developing regions with limited healthcare access. With better healthcare availability, we can expect a significant reduction in death rates caused by these animals. Which animal surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you'd like to support us, don't forget to like this video.